In this video clip we will discuss links, and of course, can you imagine the internet without links, or web pages without links? It'll be pretty useless, I think. Just one page and that's it. Okay, so in this case we would like to start with maybe give a title, and we'll call this the home page of learning HTML. And in the body section we're just going to have one link, and to do a link we have a tag called A and href to indicate the reference, where is it going to be taken to, that when the user clicks on this particular link, where is it going to be taken to. So the first one, we might show them what we learnt about tables. What is it called now? Tables.html. Tables.html, and close. Now this is the closing of the anchor tag, but in between what you put is important, because that's what the user clicks to go to the actual page. So in this case we might say what we can do with tables. Okay, simply, and then we run that and see what it looks like. There it is, what we can do with tables. And another thing we might want to have is we can have text or images. Maybe this time we could show them an image link. Okay, so there's a href, that's all the same there, but this time we want them to go to an external website, which might be the color picker. We want to show them amazing colors in the color picker and how to choose the exact color that you like. And so we're going to just enter the color picker website. Yes, it is long, that particular page, and then close it. And usually you would put some text here like color picker, that's where it's going. Ideally you wouldn't use go to now, because it's best to say just where you're going, because it's obvious when you see a line, underline, and a blue link, people know that's taking you somewhere. So there's no need to say go to. So now we enter here. Instead of this text, we can simply replace this with an image. If you remember how we do put an image in, so now I'm going to take it to another line. Remember I said before, if there's too long for one line, it's better to separate the tags, opening and the closing tags, into different lines and indent what's in the inside of it. So this time it's an image tag, an image src for source, where is it coming from, and remember it is in the images folder, and /. Now notice it's coming in orange. Let me put in the quote mark was missing. Images folder, and this time the file that I've got is simply called colors, and it's JPEG. Okay, so we're going to put colors.jpg, and we probably only want a small icon. Okay, so and the size, width equals, maybe I might make it 50, even that might be too big. That's length, with height. So what happens when you are still awake all night and it's 5 o'clock? Okay, I'm hoping you guys, this will help the video, this will help you guys learn. Okay, so 50, and then what do we put in here? So that's the image, and notice, don't forget the ending of the image tag, and it's easier if you see the whole picture. A, close A, and within that, instead of text, we just simply replace it with an image. So that's easy enough to do, and now let's see how that works. Okay, there's the image, and we should notice when you take the mouse there, it turns into a finger, which means it's clickable, just like this. So this should take you to HTML color picker, and it just would be better if it's on a different line. So we're going to put a line break. We can put it there or on its line on its own, makes no difference. And there's two links. Now each time we go to these links, now notice here, what's the point of going to this link? This is about tables if we can't come back other than using the browser button. In the website we would have, usually we can go back here, but in the tables file, what we would do is go and enter actual back to home kind of button. So we're just going to have a href is equal to index.html. And we can call it, what can we call this one? Ahref index.html. It is the home. Okay, go back to home. A close tag, and notice now if we go here, what we can do with tables, we can see the going back to home link. Right, so what we can do with tables, go back home. And this is the color picker. And if we do want, notice how it looks pretty crowded there, we might want it in this one, in the index.html, we might choose paragraph. Paragraph actually gives a break one line and then jumps to the next line to start, so it looks like there's an empty line there. Or you can use 2 line breaks. Okay, what else is important here?